You again? Alright, so I've been having problems with me volume of my voice on the videos. Been doing loads of extensive YouTube watches on how I can improve it, and like I even went to the point of like, do I need to spend 40-50 pound on a Lavion or like a mic like that? Yeah. What I found out is I just need to adjust the settings on the camera I'm using. So the camera I'm using is a Samsung S20. Video quality is great. There's ways you can compress the memory so it uploads better onto YouTube. However, I was having real problems with the volume. So as you'll know in some of the videos where I'm far away from the video, you can't really hear it, or there's background noise that overdrowns my voice. So what I found out is I've already ordered a cheap Lavion from Temu. For the same one that I've ordered, I got it off there for £6, and what I found on Amazon and eBay was about £26. So I've ordered one at Temu, £6. Can't really complain of that. It's crap. It's crap. However, if you've got Bluetooth wireless headphones, one of those, that's what I'm using currently right now to talk to you. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the video, use the manual microphone on the camera, and then we'll do a comparison where the camera's way back there, and I'll cut it and then do it with the Bluetooth on. But I reckon once the Lavia comes in, that works quite well. I'll be using that from now on. Just means that I don't have to fanny on with the editing, with the volume, because it's a nightmare. And you'll know when you're watching at home, it's like, what's he saying? What's he saying? I can't hear out. Can't hear out. Why can't you hear out? It's because I'm not using the right microphone. So this is a hack. If you got an S20 and you just don't know what's going on and how to get around that problem, because it took me a little while to get around this problem. So let's see. We'll cut it right now, and I'll just do a few Geordie sentences. Did you think the video was starting all over again? It's not. However, I am using the Samsung microphone. Hopefully you can hear a difference. I don't know how you do the thing which the experts do, where they do a side by side if they do both of them. Now it's this mic, now it's that mic, this mic, but you should hopefully hear a difference there. If you want to hear Geordie's fix eating a crisp, that's how it sounds in the Samsung microphone. I know I didn't do that on that microphone, but hey ho, I needed a crisp. Right, we'll do the other test now with the microphone way back there, so I might look really tiny, but we'll see what the difference is with my voice. See it from back. Hey, so obviously you're way back there, I'm way back here. And this is a Samsung mic. I literally could not be bothered to put the Bluetooth headset in my ear and then do the same thing again. We'll keep that sitting on there. We'll do this one. I'll hide that in, and then we'll see what the difference is there. I'm hoping it's going to work out quite well, because if it is, then you're going to see a lot more of me with a hearing aid, because it's a hearing aid not just for me, but you too. Hey, it's me again, but this time with the Bluetooth headset on. I'm not sure if the quality of my voice would be better if I had both in. Maybe if you wanted to hear my voice, both ears, and surround sound would work better. I don't think you want to hear that, because it'll just be too intense. So hopefully we're hearing some sort of difference. I'm just putting these videos just like back to back. I'm not even seeing if there's any difference until I come to edit. If there's no difference, then so be it. However, I would love to think there is a difference. I should have probably tried a bit of background noise in the back. I don't know. You tell me. But we'll see. We'll see. I am starting to think now, because the condenser mic I showed you before, I need to have a look if I've got a Type C setting to put in that. You've got the 3.5mm jack. And you can get them off Temu, which is it, Temu, or Amazon for like a couple of quid. And then I can test that out too. So we'll see. Then we can do like a free comparison. The Samsung mic, Bluetooth mic, and a condenser mic. Obviously, condenser mics are if you want to be really up close like that, and you really want to see my face and my voice and everything like that. But I don't do them kind of videos. I do videos like where I'm going, I'm cutting something, oh, I'm having a drink. So we'll see. We'll see how that does, eh? By the way, don't forget to look at my sponsor, which is me sponsoring myself. Someone say something. Oh yeah, I remember now. It was a video from our sponsor. The sponsor is me. You need to like and subscribe. Trouble seeing that one. Subscribe. It's because of that one there. And don't forget a thumbs up. Ooh. Ooh. Seen that? Ooh. How the hell do you do that? Ooh. You would have seen from the first one how you do it, so it's not that obvious. Anyway, like and subscribe, because it helps me out and it will encourage me to give you more content. Hurry up. Woo-hoo. Stupid long thumbs. But hey, who will complain with that thumb?